Pegou em Brasil. Brasil. Get dalam topik. Video lo fece di produzione per un chiaro. No? Poi long the rules of the or that no secretary of likeวันนั้นผ่านเรียนมิกซ์รีไปทำมาชื่อเรารับไป exam ไปเรียนรับไปแต่พอเราที่งานยังเพลย์มีชุดแล้วมันก็เพลย์ที่เกมไปoriginal games I can play game by just so to get some points something if you play any play about I'd love you now this is what we did so far lesson that those young Saturdays, right? And then I think they will really come and practice if they want that one. Right? I'll send that out to you. Anybody else to log in? Online? Anybody else to log in there? Log in quick. Alright, let's go. tricks, right? Whoosh, not as too easy. Anyway. Oh, Lord, somebody get out wrong. Easy then. This one ain't complete. That's wrong. Somebody just jump on top 10, top 5 there. All is easy, yeah? Do you get that wrong? Oh, all this should be easy, right? So you can get in trouble with it. I now realize which one is it. Well, it's probably, yeah. That's quick. Nice. Somebody didn't get the answer. Put them back to the night here, but we had them everybody close. Everybody close. So much more it up. 2 more. Oh, I like this. This is one to separate people out here. I think it's tight up now. Right. Let's see what happened here. All this all the separation is happened there. Rima, see that's not. That's real good. Rihanna and where I'm going to be around Jason was leading there. Last one. Can't remember what you see last one. Okay, yeah. It in between, not very hard. $45, right? It was a 90. One is 90, one is 45 in Excel. 45, right? And let me see who it. What? Just come back to second Annalie. Who it? Hello? Hello? So we are on fourth. Right. Alright, naman. Alright. So today we're looking now at continuous tricks, but there are some questions that are a little bit different, right? But it's tricks. Alright? It has to do with triangles and Pythagoras theorem and thing, right? Let's take a look at those now. Right? Sometimes you get questions. How many angles of elevation have you did? One question. What is an angle of elevation? Just one? Let's go next. Right, let's start here. Let's see here. I don't know what year it's from. Jan 22. Right, so they give you this diagram at first and then we do the elevation on them, right? Jan 2013, number 7. So remember, elevation is looking up from the horizontal, the pressure is looking down, right? Check those like what it says. Why? So I think it's a good deal now, like, we're doing this, right? Whatever triangle is that? Right, was non-right angle, right? So you're using cosine or sine rule. The after angle, so which rule are you using? You have 3 lines, you want to find an angle. Huh? Cosine rule, right? Go ahead, have fun. Cosine rule, and then we use that. Online, so cosine rule part A, right? And then part B, you can use the formula to find the area. All right. So let's see how it went on. So the first part they asked us right. The first part they want us to find the angle and then find the area, right? So where is ABC? ABC is right here. That's okay. And the one cosine rule. So these are the two lengths that make the angle, and this is the opposite side. That's okay. So it will be 226 squared is equal to 174 squared plus 65 squared minus 2 by 174 by 65 cosine theta. Okay. So please remember in your formula where A, B, and C is, right? B and C are the two lengths that make the angle, and A is opposite to the angle, small a, right? And then take your time and work it out. What is 226 squared? Will work it out like that or work it out all together? Now, I want to work it out piece by piece to also remember how to make theta stuff, right? Right, so let's start with the first part, 226 squared. Right, so that's 51076. Then it's 174 squared plus 65 squared. That is 34501. Then 2 by 174 by 65. That's 22620 cosine theta. And remember, do not subtract 34501 and 22620. That's wrong, right? Now take the 22620 cosine theta, move it to the left, and then minus 34501 and 51076. Right? And then carry across 2260, right? So that'll be 34501 minus 51076. And then divided by 22620. And I got minus 0.73. Right? And then to find theta, theta will be cos inverse of that value. I got 137. Right? So I got 137 as the answer. That's okay. We did one just like that, and I showed you how to break it up piece by piece, right? But you wouldn't be able to put that whole thing in it. Well, if you put it in the castle and then get theta. But I'm still wanting you to break it up, right? Do it piece by piece like we can go on. Tapi jangan fix it together. And then find the area. Formula for area, what again? Half AB times T, right? Oh, we have to fix that. And then let's go to the elevation part. Seven. Yeah, that 1.7. Cosine theta equals to minus 0.73. And then go back on top. And then last part, find the area. Right? Area is equal to half AB times Z. Plus 174 by 65 sine 137. I got 3,057. Sorry, 3,857 meters squared. Sorry, get plug it in. Plug it in. Right, Annalie got that. Anybody else have anything? Good job, Annalie. Anybody else got that online? Right, Rima, good job. Brianna, good job. Copy down. Then there's the next piece underneath, right? The elevation part. Take a little read. Take a little read there. Okay, it might be a little tricky to visualize, right? But A, B, and C are on the ground. A, B, and C are on the ground, right? A, B, C on the ground, and the angle of elevation. So imagine what? Imagine this is the ground here, and this is the tower. A, B, C here on this flat ground here. Right? And then they said the angle of elevation of T from B is that value there. Find the height. Yeah, find the lighthouse. What kind of triangle these form all the time? A right angle, right? Take your time. So here's what I say, right? And this is the plane here. This is the tower. Right? T on top, A underneath. Right? And B somewhere here. Right? B somewhere here on the ground. Right? At the point B, you have an angle elevation. So you're looking up or down? Up. So you're looking from B, right? Remember, you're on this flat ground here, looking at B and you're looking up. Right? So you're forming a right angle triangle with T, A, and B. Okay? So you're forming a right angle triangle with T, A, and B. Where is the right angle, Matthew? At T, at A, or at B? A. Right? The right angle is at E. Don't let that diagram on the board confuse you, right? It's a 3D diagram. TA is a tower that's hanging out. Right? I will put in the angles and take this one. We have a right angle triangle formed between T and E. Right? Yeah, the picture. Right. Right? So your diagram will look like this. Watch this here, right? The diagram will look something like this. Here is 90 degrees, right? And the angle of elevation from here to, hold on, yeah. The angle of elevation from B. Go 1 second there, I'm gonna fix this. Right. The angle of elevation there is 23 degrees. So that is what the triangle will look like. A to B is 174. The angle there is 23. And you're trying to find X. Right? Use the right angle rules, find it quick. Right? That's what makes these questions hard. You have to envision that 3D diagram. Right? So you have a right angle triangle there. As I said, just picture TA up in the air and ABC on the flat ground. Right? You are B and you're looking up at T. So you're trying to find what side? Opposite or adjacent? Trying to find opposite and what you have. You have an angle on which side? Adjacent. So you have adjacent, you have the angle, and you want to find opposite. So which rule is that? Tan. Yeah? Tan theta. Right? Hurry up. Find tan. Sorry, use tan and find it. You want to find tan, right? Right, work it out, message your answers. Now you're right to begin, we can send one answer. Abdul, send an answer two, please. All right, let's see what we got. So that'll be tan 23 is equal to opposite over 174 cross multiply, and you'll get 174 tan 22. What is that? How much? 73.9. Okay. Remember, 99% of the time you're going to end up with a right angle triangle. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Copy down. Let's go again. All okay online then, Chida? This is Jan 2012. Again, envision it, look at the information, and see if you can show them what they want. You'll see me kind of pull it. Think of what's on the same plane and think of what is the pole, right? Yeah, that's what they call pole. You'll see the pole in the diagram. Yeah. Right? Huh? The L. PL. PL is the pole. Right? Go ahead. Draw a diagram and then put in your values. Draw a diagram, put in your values. Right? Take your time, put in the angles of elevation. You have your angles, put in your lengths, and then for those who finish, they want you to find PL, TM, PM. PL, TM, angle of elevation in front of you. Are you happy to diagram? Complete the diagram and find those three things. Put in your right angle so you will know which triangles are right angle, right? right? Let's just make sure your values were done correctly. Here's a right angle, here's a right angle, right? The angle of elevation of T from K is 28, so here is 28 degrees. KL, where is KL? KL is 15 meters. LM is down here, that's 19 meters. KLM is 115. Right? PL, you want to find PL, so that's there. Then you want to find KM, that's down here. Go ahead, take your time, use the right rules. If it's a right angle triangle, trig ratio is not right angle. Yeah. Yeah. It's not a circle. It's not a circle. No, it's not like that. Right? Because you see, because EL is like this. Two angles are wrong, which is 90, so that's 180, right? But it doesn't form a circle with the ground. Form the circle with what's under the ground. Kind of, right? That's why the attained vision is a little bit different. It's like a 3D diagram, right? It's supposed to be a 3D diagram. PL was acting vertically up. So what type of triangle is KLP? Right angle, right? Right? And then what type of triangle is KLL? Right, not right now. Go ahead, use the rules. Let's work it out. All right, let's see what you got. PL. So we have adjacent and we want to find opposite. So we're using tan. Tan 28 is equal to opposite over adjacent. Cross multiply. You'll end up with 15 tan 28, which is, what is that? 7.98. Let's go to top 8, right? So we know that the length of PL is 8. Right? Next part, they want us to find the angle Y. What's the rule we use now there? Cosine rule, right? Okay, then, yeah, give it up. Cosine rule. Right? So we're using Y squared is 15 squared plus 19 squared, 2 by 15 by 19 cosine 115. How much you got there, Jason? Jason, how much you got there? Jada, Ashana. Jason. I must have names. See what you doing. Jason. Then why so much? Jason, you have 29. Alright? 29. Let's go. Jason. You can see what's doing anything. Right? 29, everybody gets 29? Yeah. Last part, angle of elevation of P from M. Where is that, Rima? Where is the angle of elevation of P from M? Where? Tell me exactly where it is. L and P. That's exactly where it is, right? L and P. Come again now. What's the rule to use there? What type of triangle is that? And what size they have? So which rule is that? Right, so that's tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, and then tan inverse all of that. What you get how much? Actually, my game is here. Confused? How much shall I get there? Tan inverse 8 on 90. How much? 23. All right. Good. See you all see how the questions come. I've got a question for Nathan Mohammed. Nathan, what do you think is the angle of depression from P to M? What do you think is the angle of depression from P to M? So you're looking down, you're on top of P and you're looking down. What's the angle of depression? How much? Sure. So you're saying the angle is here. How you measure the pressure? From the what? From the vertical or from the horizontal? Horizontal. So this angle here. How much is that? Check it and see. 22. Right? Yeah. Copy it down, please. Yeah. Okay, nice. So that's the way you handle your questions, right? So let's tune it down a little bit and let's do some multiple choice. All right, let's do some multiple choice. Let's start here. Write them down, multiple choice drinks. Again, you'll recognize a lot of these can repeat when you're doing the actual thing. Take your time, figure it out. Write down your answer. Online, you all can actually start the message now, right? Jaden, let me see. Leo, Leonardo, message please. Jaden, is next one on top there? Ashana. Message. Write down your answer. Write down your working if you need to. Right. Right. First one. Where you get it? Huh? Dog? Yeah, correct. Here's x, here is 2x, so it means that here is 180 minus 3x. Add up here and here, and minus 180. That's okay? So that's dog. Next one. We need to work it out. By the way, no calculator. Yeah, this is possible choice, no calculator. So ideally you should have known these Pythagoras triples. Otherwise, they are nowhere 17 squared. 17 squared is how much? Oh, you gotta multiply. So, this is a long way. Right? So here's an example of where you should know these numbers. 17, 15, 8. Answer 4. Otherwise, you have to work out 17 squared Pythagoras theorem, right? Otherwise, you have to work it out. No calculators. Right? 4 is the answer. Write it down in case you don't have these numbers. That's a Pythagoras triple you have to learn, right? 17, 15, and 8. Or work it out. You should know the first 25 numbers squared, right? Know those. 17 squared is how much? 289, right? 15 squared is how much? 225, right? So you should know those values from 1 to 25. Next one here. Look for the parallel line, look for the zero. See that? 5 there is what? Look for the zero, right? In case you can't remember, this is 0, here and here equal. How about you get all right? 140, correct. Here's 40, but they want here, which is 180 minus that. So the answer is C. Okay. Let's go again. If you never heard about the zero, write it down. I told you it a few times during parents. Next one. Polygon rule. I'll look one here. Try this here. What is ABE? Where is it? All right, let's do it again. Here's 58 and they want ABE. The rest of this is 180. So that'll be 180 minus 58, which is boy. I'll look it up. So let's go again. And apologies for roots. We'll go that. What kind of triangles we have here, Neptune? Isosceles, right? Good. We'll call it stemwise x. You want to know it? We'll go where's x? Huh? Yeah, I can put them at 2. I thought I did one. How much you gonna have here? 100, that's something right. That is sounding correct. Here's 40, here's 100. Cut. Here's something that we had to talk about as well, right? Well, what type of triangles are these? Remember, there's some form 1 or 2 or 3. These are called similar triangles, right? And in case you don't remember them from form 1 or 2, right? Similar triangles is somebody's going to talk about a little bit, right? Similar triangles happen when both triangles, they are not the same size, but within the triangle, there is same angles. You see now? All the angles in both triangles are the same. Right? So in similar triangles, all the angles within the triangles are the same. So if that happens, it means that the ratio of the lengths are equal. So write that down, please. For similar triangles, all of interior angles are the same. For similar triangles, all of the interior angles are the same and the ratio of their lengths are equal. The ratio of their lengths are equal. Watch this here, right? Look at the diagram. If you look at the diagram, you will see the length AB over MN. That ratio is the same as AC over ME and CB over ON. Right? All the ratios are the same. So from here to here, the lengths are what? Half, right? Okay. So from here to here, the length should also be half. Okay, so the answer is 4. All right. That's all you have to know about similar triangles, right? Mohammed, you done? You give it up. You remember that from form 1 or 2? Form 5? Yeah. Okay. So once all the interior angles are equal, the ratios on the sides are the same. All right. So the answer for 12 is 4. Now I'm gonna have a count, right? What's number 14? Why not so that Matthew? Where you get where you for 14? West? West? Correct. Right? West is correct. So you're going this way, right? And that's west. Next one is yours, Rima. Okay. This one I think the hardest one. You think that? Take your time, Joy. Follow right now. See, I'm not following you. Huh? Huh? Follow clockwise. The find bearings, like you have to follow when the set up. Yeah, it's not there. Anybody answer there? No answer there. I like pick one line, let me see what hey, don't cheat us and miss something. All right, Tina. All right, like pick somebody. Leo, Nuria, look Nuria there. Did Nuria send anything as yet? Long time you ain't sent something. Nuria. Where you got remember? ABC audience. Or you? I get up. Or you got remember? Draw it, get it, draw it. If the bearing is 45 and then changes course the clockwise direction of 35 degrees. 135, sorry. The angle through which your plane turns, you have to draw it. You have to draw the bearing to 45 and then draw the 35. And then check the angle. right? So the plane is flying in flying in a direction of 45, then change its course to a clockwise direction of 135. So you're measuring 90, 135. Right? So here's 45, the remaining here is 45. So the answer is 9. You have to draw it to really get it. Right, let's see what Nuria put there. Nuria put view. Nuria, guess good here. But okay, what happened there? Right, so you see why it's important to draw that diagram, right? Finish? Let's go again. Let's show you that transformation, right? Everything here is transformations. Already remember it? Transformation. Wasn't here for that? I wrote, but I'll go back and watch a video and Fight Club. All right, here. There you go again. Right, let me see. Let me pick somebody online. Let me see somebody in send Leo. This one is for you, Leo. 28. Come on, Leo. Brown, so way. Take your time, huh? See what you have, right? Leo. No, Leo. All right, Leo says C. What's in I? E? What's in it? E? 12 hours. Yeah. You want to try both of them and see which one works out. There's a little trick. Try X, see if it works out. So for example, right, if you use X, you have opposite, and you have hypotenuse. Sin X is 4 on 8. Right? Then suppose you use Y, you have adjacent and you have adjacent and hypotenuse, right? So cos Y is equal to adjacent and hypotenuse. But there is no cos Y here. And tan because tan is adjacent. Right? And not hypotenuse, right? Right, last one. Last one I have here. Try that in. Did I pick one more person online? Who not sign up to Jira send us something. Ashana. Ashana, this one is for you. Leo, you saw a mistake, right, Leo? What's the answer again for the last one? A. All right, nice, Leo. Ashana, last one here. Right. Ashana, you send anything? Chiran send, Jason, alright. What are you gonna do? Run. Apple. What you get? Like apple. Hmm. What you get? Boy. No. What you get? Apple too. Alright. Let's see. So you have what you want to get? BC, right? BC is opposite, and you have hypotenuse. So you're using sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So that'll be sine 30 is x over 40. Cross multiply, you'll get 40 sine 30. Apple. Alright. Nice try on it. Alright, good. So that's on this. Fine. That's the end of trick. I think if you have a small trick. Multiple choice, saying multiple choice. But taking paper 2 and giving them multiple. So I'll give you a paper 2 and I will look out the answer. Right? I might do Kahoot or I might give you a Google form. Yeah, the Google form thing. Yeah. Alright? So you get a small test. Like a paper 2, one question each, and a multiple choice. Right? I'll try and give you a multiple choice form. If I don't type it out, well, then it's just a paper 2 you get. Alright? Alright. Right?